Alright, let's look at the homework 6, problem number 5. Alright, part A, we want to find the inverse matrix of this 4x4 matrix. Alright, so let's do that. I'm going to open up GeoGebra. Maybe I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so I can see the matrix. Alright, so I'm going to call this matrix A. Alright. Then we have a bunch of curly brackets, right? So one set of curly bracket for the whole matrix, and for each row we have a curly bracket. So you have so this is the first row, second row, third row, and that's the fourth row. And you just have to put the row by row. So you have a 3, 3, 6, 5, right? Next row, and 4, 5, 8, 2, and next row is 3, 6, 7, 4. Right, last row is 4, 1, 6, 3. Right, then hit enter. Right, now we have a matrix A. Then what we want to do is invert. So invert. Right, so here's invert, then matrix is A. Right, so if you do that, you have I'm gonna actually call this guy invert A, so I'm gonna call it maybe matrix how about the B. Right, and enter. Right, so B is the inverse of matrix A. Right, then what we want to do is actually I'm gonna open it up so that you can see the whole thing. All right, then so this is a part A, and part B. All right, hopefully did I enter these guys correctly? Looks like I did. All right, and part B, we want to solve this system of linear equation using part A. All right, so I'm gonna have to create the right hand side matrix. So I'm gonna open up GeoGebra. So right hand side, I'm gonna call it say R. Alright, so right hand side is let's see, I cannot see this. I'm gonna just make it small. Alright, right hand side is 10, 15, 30, 25. So I'm gonna have to have 4 rows just like before. Then I have to put 10. The next row is 15. Next row is 30. And next row is 25. Right, then hit enter. Right, so you can see that here. Right, matrix, so this is a right hand side matrix is given here. So all you have to do to solve this system of linear equation, all you have to do is inverse of a matrix A, which is B, and then multiply by R. Right, then gives you a matrix here. So this is going to be, right, x1 is going to be 81.8, x2 is 27.8, and x3 is negative 57.8, and x4 is 5.6. Let's see, I'm going to see the precision there. Let's see, rounding. Right, actually these are exact values. Right, so that's how you do part B. Right, I'm gonna bring out the GeoGebra again. Let's see if I can do that. Come on, yep. All right, so that's it. I hope that this was clear.